You ask ChatGPT a question about your company's internal handbook, and it just makes something up. Why? Because it never read your handbook. Large language models like ChatGPT are trained on massive amounts of public internet data, but they have no clue what's inside your private documents, your Notion pages, or last Tuesday's meeting notes. So when you ask about those things, the model guesses, and it guesses confidently. That confident guessing has a name. It's called a hallucination, which just means the model generates an answer that sounds right but is completely made up. RAG fixes this. RAG stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. Think of it like an open book exam. Instead of forcing the model to answer from memory alone, you let it flip through your documents first, find the relevant pages, and then write its answer based on what it actually found. The retrieval part is the flipping through pages. The generation part is the model writing its response. Here's how it works under the hood. Your documents get chopped into small chunks and converted into embeddings. Embeddings are numerical fingerprints that capture the meaning of each chunk. Those fingerprints get stored in a vector database, which is just a search engine optimized for meaning instead of keywords. When you ask a question, your question also gets turned into an embedding, and the system finds the chunks closest in meaning. Those chunks get handed to the model as context, right before it generates an answer. So instead of the model saying, I think your refund policy is 30 days, it can say, according to section 4 of your policy doc, refunds are accepted within 14 days. That's the difference. Rounded answers with receipts, not confident guesses. Follow for more AI concepts explained simply, and drop a topic you want next in the comments.